What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to share a folder in Google Drive with other people. So firstly what you want to do is to be on Google Drive, then from here you want to create a new folder. To do that you can right click on this and you're going to click on new folder, or you can click on new and also click on new folder. Also you can use an existing folder if you have one. Then what we want to do is to name it, so let's say name, then we're going to create it. After you create it, what you want to do to share it is to select it. Then you're going to click on here to share, or you're going to click on here again to share. Then what we want to do is to add the people that you want to share your folder to. So I'm going to use one of my addresses. Then what you want to do is to select which permission you give to the people that you share your folder with. You can give them either viewer, commenter, or editor, which can do anything in that folder. So I'm going with editor. Then the last thing you have to do is to click on send. And as simple as this, you can share a folder on Google Drive. Now you can add your files and you can do whatever you want with this folder. So guys, this was this tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.